There are many different environments that you can use to write and run code. In this video, you'll learn more about JupyterLab and Jupyter Notebooks for writing, running, and debugging Python code. JupyterLab and Jupyter Notebooks are part of an open source project called Project Jupyter and are free to use. You can learn more about Project Jupyter at jupyter.org. JupyterLab is a web-based interface that allows you to use Jupyter Notebooks to write, run, and debug Python code. JupyterLab provides an online environment that allows you to run your code in the cloud. Jupyter Notebook can be used in the web-based interface through JupyterLab or on your local machine. Jupyter Notebook allows you to create text-based documents that contain live code blocks. You can write Python programs and scripts using Jupyter Notebooks and see how they execute all in one place. It's a great tool for creating and understanding the code you're writing because you can see your input and output all in one spot. This is what a basic Jupyter Notebook looks like. Next, we will cover how to use Jupyter Notebooks. One of the most popular ways to use Jupyter Notebooks is in the cloud-based environment. You can use this environment by visiting jupyter.org. Once you're at jupyter.org, you can get started. First, click Try, then select JupyterLab. To create a new notebook in the lab environment, add a new tab and select Python under Notebook. A new notebook will open up, and you can start writing and running Python code. Let's give it a try. You will write your code in the cell with the blue border. Let's use a print statement. Type print hello world in the cell. Next, we will run the code in the cell. To do this, we'll use the Run button located at the top of the toolbar. Click on Run, and your cell will execute. Your output should be hello world. You can save your Jupyter Notebook by using the Save button that's also located in the top toolbar. Click Save and give your notebook file a name. For this example, I will name my file hello.ipynb. Also, if you would like to download your notebook, you can do that using the File menu located in the top left-hand corner. You can also use JupyterLab and Jupyter Notebooks on your local machine. You can do this by using the pip command from the Python terminal command line. To install JupyterLab, type pip install JupyterLab at the command line. Once it's installed, you can launch it by typing jupyter-lab. To install Jupyter Notebooks, type pip install notebook at the command line. Once it's installed, you can launch it by typing Jupyter Notebook. JupyterLab and Jupyter Notebooks are great resources for writing Python code. To note, notebooks can also be shared and saved easily using email, GitHub, and Jupyter Notebook Viewer. There are also tons of resources on Jupyter Notebooks out there, so if you need more support, the Jupyter website is a great resource to dive deeper into. In the next video, we will go over Colab. This is a coding tool that is very similar to Jupyter Notebooks. Head over to the next video to learn more.